Remember the time when we just walked to a shop and picked up what we needed? That's not how we do things anymore. In the digital era, 9 out of 10 customers look for reviews before buying a product. Got reviews in AliExpress you'd like to showcase? Use WP Social Ninja to bring them all to your website in 3 easy steps. First, open your WP Social Ninja dashboard and select AliExpress from all platforms. You'll get the option to enter your business URL. To get that, go to the AliExpress site. Choose the product you want to showcase review of, copy and paste your AliExpress URL, and click Save. See that green success notification? That means you're done. To fetch more reviews, click Add More Business and follow the same steps. You can delete any business account anytime clicking here. If you're done adding products, you can move on to create a template. As you can see, it has a lot of options to customize how your reviews will show up on your site. From source, we already have AliExpress chosen, you can add more. Now click on the template to choose from 9 different template styles. Let's select how many columns of reviews we want to display. Next, we have filters. Here you can choose how many reviews you want to show and in what order. Wanna hide the reviews with low ratings? Do it easily here. You can even include or exclude reviews by a specific customer. If you want to filter reviews on the basis of your products, we got that covered as well. We can now move on to the settings option. Here you can decide whether you want to show ratings and in which rating style. See this list? You can choose to show or hide every single one of these items. You have the option to make all your reviews the same height, trim review after certain words, and edit content type. WP Social Ninja gives you a full customization option for your header. You can choose the header elements, add a custom title text, customize the Write a Review button text, or if you want, opt out of displaying the header. Next, we have the pagination settings. You can either leave it as none or choose to load more. Here you can change the load more button text and how many reviews you want to show per page. Last but not the least, you have the option to enable and edit your schema snippet. You can add the logo, name, type, and a phone number of your business. You can also edit your fallback average rating and fallback total rating. And that's it. Now, if anybody is surfing your website and likes a product, they can instantly check out the reviews and become a customer. Stay tuned to WP Manage Ninja as we'll be back with more videos very soon.